What's up guys, Wiz here from Project N.A.C.C. and today I'm going to be showing you another camo I've done on a Nerf Sniper Rifle. I don't know the exact models. It is a buddy of mine's, and so this is the camo I did. Starting off, I did a similar camo to what I did on the Fortnite Scar, except I did it with deep foliage, army green, and a little bit of brown here and there. So, whoops. This can come off. So I left that part orange, and then the barrel up here orange. So in case you just wanted that, I left that orange too. Then I left the two magazines back here unpainted too. I just have this one painted as like the designated mag for this gun. So charging handle still works perfectly fine. Trigger works perfectly fine. The unjamming port works perfectly fine. Mag release works perfectly fine. That little stuff right there, that's inevitable. There's really no way to avoid that. Unless you want to do a really messy job, which is not fun. That is the sight picture. It's a bit hard to see. So you already saw the first side. This is the top. This is the bottom. Whoops. And so, magazines can still be taken out, easy peasy. In there is painted. This is back at the stock, a bit harder to see. You can see some paint is kind of wearing right there from use. That's normal. Paint will wear a bunch on this thing. It is inevitable, unless you want to pay for a Cerakotion, which I don't know why you would Cerakote a Nerf gun. This is the other side. And you can kind of see the differentiation between the green, other green, and then the brown right here, brown back here. Some of the brown is lighter than others, like on the grip right there. That's where it's a bit heavier with the brown. And so that is the gun. This is probably one of my best this is definitely one of my best camos yet. I almost didn't want to sell it because of how cool this thing is, but I need to make money somehow. I can't just buy stuff, paint it, make it look cool, love it, and then not sell it, because that's not how you make money. But at least I know I'm doing a good job, because it's so good I don't want to sell it. So yeah, that is the sniper rifle. I haven't decided, because I like it so much, I haven't decided if we're gonna sell this thing. It's also very old, so it's very creaky, so we don't know if we can sell it, but I think it still works. I know it still works, and it's still usable. So it is sellable. I'd probably just make it a little bit lower than retail, but we can't do that much lower because I used an entire can on this one thing. Or not the entire can, but I finished off a can working on this project, so that cost a little bit, but yeah, I will leave the eBay link in the description when I get the listing up. If you want to buy it, go ahead. Still have to figure out all the pricing and everything with my business partner. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.